All right, are we live?
We're live.
Welcome in. We're here at Sailing Into Nirvana, live tonight, right after Christmas.
Day after Christmas in December.
Can you
obviously.
believe the weather? It's what, 80 degrees?
It was 83 last I looked. No, not this morning, this afternoon.
And look at this lake. Look at how flat and calm it is, and those trees back there. We have airplanes. A lot of people are getting out today, flying. We saw the biplane.
We saw a new biplane.
Yeah.
We usually see the red one that we named the Red Baron, but
The green
this was
Baron.
green. It kind of had that bomber green.
Yeah, the bomber
It
green
was
looking.
a new one. Yeah.
Coming in. We've got boats coming in. It's a great day. We had friends sailing
Yep.
the last couple days. Can you believe it? At
We're
what,
happy.
80 degrees. Okay, when's the last time you can remember this warm of weather on Christmas?
We're happy. We're happy. I had a few days in New Mexico like this,
I bet you did, but
but not in the water. I wasn't in the
last
water.
year it turned bad in January. We got sick, got quarantined,
Yeah.
and then it snowed. So let's keep your fingers crossed that no snow's coming in the next few weeks. You know how February is in Texas, though. Anyway, we got some stuff here. We got some hot sauce from Mom, okay? We're going to be trying some hot sauce out. And we've got some more of those catfish balls that I made with some cod. And we're going to try some different hot sauces out for tonight.
I think you put on the video of you catching the catfish, right?
Yeah, I did put a short
Yeah.
video out of that night catching it, and I've got another one I'm working on where I do the full recipe on a future video. Be sure to check that out. And
That was a huge catfish, and we're still eating on it.
still eating on it. We repurposed it today.
We did.
With the sauce. It's kind of like a bisque over it. Then the cod in the background with the bisque over it, and then the catfish and lobster balls. So let me go get that. Let's get started and get this hot sauce out here. And let's start trying out. What do we got? 48 hot sauces to try? No.
I will try one,
Cheers.
maybe. Cheers.
All right.
Cheers. And Merry late Christmas to those of you that are just now joining.
Right. Happy holidays and Merry late Christmas if you're just joining in. This is our podcast from the back of the boat at Lake Louisville. Let's get this food out here. Hand me that plate. What do you want, Cindy? A big one or a small one?
Well, I like big balls, I cannot lie. You know if I'm going to be
Where'd
able
you
to...
get that from?
I don't know. Sir, mix a lot.
All right, Sir Mix-a-Lot.
You might find some ducks swimming by beside us. They've been real active today.
All right, hand me that captain plate.
That looks good.
There's the first mate.
That looks good. Yeah, so you'll see the ducks coming through here pretty quick behind us. They've been back and forth, flying in and landing. But they're practicing their landing too.
That's what I was saying. Everybody's out today.
Yep. Looks delicious.
Yeah, everybody's out today.
Looks
There they
delicious.
are. Here they come.
Yeah,
What do we have here? I told you.
Thanks,
Can
Mom.
you see that? Woo. Booyah. All right.
What are you going to try?
Oh, man. That right there. All right.
I want.
Take a look at that. Cindy, what do you think?
Wasn't there a bourbon one? I want the bourbon one or the sweet jalapeno one.
Smoky bourbon.
That's what I want.
Let's go with that.
I wonder how hot it is.
These are mystery sauces.
We just know there's smoke and bourbon in this one. We don't know what's in here.
All right, so I'm going with tequila.
Ooh. Okay.
Tequila looks like maybe a jalapeno.
This is why I need him around.
Captain's got your back right here. Got to get that spork out. Can you believe it? We have our sporks finally back.
No. We were so disappointed.
Let's get the wine opener out. We got to get the wine, a miniature wine opener. Okay.
We were so disappointed.
Working on it.
When we went to the Bad Santa Boathouse, that we didn't have sporks to eat with. We're so spoiled with these things.
Yeah, it was like, give me a spork, will you? Okay, I got it. There it comes. Boom.
Yay!
That's your bourbon. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit on here and taste test.
I'm going to do this
Oh,
first.
scared. Oh, these probably aren't too bad. Let's check it out. This is the catfish
This one's
ball,
okay.
catfish and lobster ball with tequila.
That was a lot. What's this one called?
Oh yeah, it's a green. It's a verde. It's a little spicy. Well, I do have my fire dragon on the lobster, catfish lobster balls and this cod. But I put the, what was that, the bisque over it, and then I baked them. These were twice baked with the bisque.
It's spicy.
That one is?
I don't know what's, maybe the combination of the two.
Well, we like spicy.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, the last few days have been great weather. They also have been great holidays. We went out to see the Bad Santa in the snow globe at Scott's Landing.
That was really fun at Scott's Landing in Grapevine.
Yeah.
They did a good job. They really did a good job creating a really cool atmosphere at the dock.
If it was colder, that would have been perfect with the heaters inside the globe. It wasn't cold, so it wasn't really an issue. But yeah, it was fun. You should go out there to Scott's Landing in Grapevine and get a reservation for a snow globe if they're still having it, probably to the end of the year.
I don't know. I think they only did it through Christmas week.
Did they?
Yeah, but they have a website. You can go look. Bad Santa Boathouse is their website. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lot of carbs on that. We had sweet stuff.
We did eat that.
And we don't normally eat.
Don't any of our friends dog us for that either.
It's not cheating when we say we're going to do this.
We don't cheat. We don't consider things cheating, honestly.
No. We planned that. We made reservations in advance.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Walking down the main street in Grapevine and seeing all the lights was very impressive. I haven't been over there in years. I went out
they've
there.
come a long way. It's turned into a much bigger thing than the last time I went to.
It's a big block party, and I recommend that
Yeah.
each year. Grapevine, they just do us right there at Grapevine.
Yeah, it's a good little area.
Shout out to the Grapevine Sailing Club. A lot of sailboaters over there, and I know how serious they are. And shout out to you guys.
Yeah.
So,
This was actually, you want to try mine?
and this is the bourbon.
I don't feel
You want
like
to switch, or are we going to go for another one?
I
Do we
don't
need
know.
a wheel and we just spin it and then pick a sauce?
When I tasted it just on my finger, it didn't taste as spicy as when I put it on.
I'll go ahead and put it on this little piece of lobster I got. Sure.
Is this one spicy?
You have to be the judge on that one.
I'm going to do this.
Because with the
I like
fire
to do it
dragon already
first
on
without
here.
anything because I don't want to ruin my food if I can't handle it.
Okay.
It does bring out a little spice in it, right?
I think they're equally as hot.
Yeah.
Different flavors for sure.
What do we have here with our fish balls?
The cod.
Cod, okay.
And then the catfish lobster balls, twice baked.
Yes.
All right. If you're just joining us, we're live from the ass end of SV Xanadu. My backyard.
What's the temperature right
Bam.
now?
Yeah, look it up. Wow.
It's still 80 degrees here.
Hey, I told you.
It is a good early summer, fall evening.
When we can sit here in December and have
Tank tops and
dinner
shorts.
in a tank top on the back of this boat.
There's not winds.
So I think that's a win for this year.
We'll take it. I'm sorry to all those that might be watching that have winter at your doorstep with snow or cold winds. We have a south wind today, so we're warm.
Well, can you see me sweating? Oh, sorry. For those of y'all up north watching this, sorry about that. Oh, it's so warm.
We do respect what you have to go through, but we're glad we're not doing it.
Well, okay, we're going
All right.
with the new sauce. Okay.
All right,
I
want to do the sweet jalapeno.
We do need to get a wheel and just spin it.
Let's make one.
All right, here we go. We got so many.
I want to try the sweet jalapeno.
Okay. She loves jalapeno.
I do.
These are like wine bottles.
Is that what it is?
The way the top is.
Why we keep
And then you
it
peel
in?
it.
I see it. Got the little foil going.
Yeah.
It's fancy.
Fancy.
We have fancy hot sauce.
Sweet jalapeno. You're all set.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to go with Ghostly Extreme.
Yeah, you have fun with that.
I think I know what's in that.
This is a good flavor.
I think I know what's in that. That might be some ghost on top of some more ghost. Peppers.
That's a lot.
All right, here we go.
I'm not going to try that one.
I'll let
Maybe
you know.
I might. I
she
might.
does.
I
You
do-
do
I
a little
will-
ghost pepper.
I will eat some. If I wish you guys could see the sunset. I can see it straight through over here. You can't because it's not behind us. Well, it's pink. You got some pink. It's beautiful that way.
Yeah.
Really pretty orange, yellow.
All right, here we go. What am I put that on the cod? Let's see. Ouch. Okay.
That looks hot.
Try that out.
How is it?
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
I'm not doing it.
That one's hot.
I'm not doing it.
All right, but good. Come on, baby, light my fire. Man, I might need a little antidote. Anybody got the sour cream?
There is sour cream down there.
Yep. It's going away. It's going away fast. Good.
You're gonna be sneezing in a minute.
Yeah, when we show up later, we'll be all like, where's the Kleenex? Okay. You know what happens when you mix it all up? Right? Okay. It's getting a little darker, but we got the light here.
Mm-hmm.
And as long as we're moving, it'll stay on.
So you can't see it. Oh, look at the moon.
Did you see that smiley face moon the other day?
It's yesterday. It was there yesterday.
Yeah.
No, the smiley face it was the moon and it was two things. I can't remember which ones they are. I'm sorry.
2 planets.
A planet or a star or something like
star,
that. And
yeah.
it created an actual 2 eyes and a smiley face. That was last night.
We didn't see the crescent, the smile part
But
of
we
it,
couldn't
but we
see
didn't.
the
Yeah.
eyes. We do have Christmas lights on the boat this year. So that was new for us. We haven't done that since I've been here.
Nothing says you're not going sailing like putting lights all over the boat.
It's just temporary though. And you know what? Had we realized how warm it was going to be, we might not have put the lights up.
Well, we're going to be sitting here for a minute. Till the 1st, I guess.
Yeah, we'll take them
Then we'll
down.
take them down.
And hopefully it's still warm.
Yeah. I hope everybody had a great Christmas this year. Family, friends, all that.
A safe one.
Yeah.
We know Christmas is the time of year with Christmas. Sometimes for some people is not the greatest.
Correct.
So cheers to you for making it through another Christmas.
All right. We got to get another sauce out.
I'm still working on this one. I don't know.
Garlic herb, hot garlic. There's another jalapeno down here with extreme garlic.
This looks tie-dye. What's that one say?
Cilantro.
Oh, I don't want that. I don't want that.
Arbol. Blazing Outlaw. Jalapeno lime. Pele's garlic. Abducted.
Ew, I'm going to try abducted. I don't know what that's about. But that sounds interesting.
It's another green one. I bet you'll like it.
It's interesting. Cod's good.
So you are my dear.
Thank you.
And what am I going to do? There's
Oh,
another
I like
ghost.
this one.
There's a sweet patch. Jalapeno bacon. Cayenne bacon. Oh.
I like this one.
All right, I'll do the cayenne bacon.
Ew, I want to try that.
Cayenne bacon. Okay, putting that on the fish ball right here. Oh.
This one's pretty good. Abducted.
You got a big old piece of lobster in there too. I like that one because it's like my mouth is not on fire from that last one. So I'm going to use more like that. You can try that. I
I'm gonna
bet you.
try
I
that.
bet you'll like that.
You might like the abducted too. It's not too spicy.
It's a little just heat, but bacon flavor. Pirate Rodney's going to have to figure that out.
The bacon,
Oh yeah,
the bacon hot sauce.
yeah. I'll have to call him up.
So we had an unexpected, fantastic fish dinner that we kind of utilized 2 or 3 different meals because it was a really big catfish, and he caught it at midnight. It was cold, and he still caught it.
Well, I keep the lines out, and I thought, oh, I'm going to go have to bring the lines in. I haven't heard any action out there, and I went out there, and sure enough, the line's going straight over there. So I had to get out on the dock and figure out how to get it unstuck and get that catfish in. And then I was like, it's late.
Yeah.
I had to put it on the stringer. I didn't want to deal with it right then. So I put 2 hooks in it on the stringer and threw it back down in the water. So it'd be alive the next day. And so that one is the one that I made this out of. You'll see on a future video. If you're just joining us, we're here live on the back of the boat at the wonderful Lake Dallas, Lakeview Marina, by the way.
80-degree weather.
80-degree weather.
No wind. It's fantastic.
And we're just sitting in the backyard eating hot sauce and chatting.
That's right.
Woo!
That's
Cheers.
right. Cheers. We hope you guys had a great Christmas dinner. We did another untraditional. We tend to do little untraditional type stuff. So I didn't make it. He made lamb chops. Tell him how what it all was. Yeah.
You get the lamb chops, right? And a lot of people say, okay, that's kind of gamey. I do it a certain way. It kind of takes the gaminess out. Mm-hmm. So I made a Cabernet butter sauce.
It was
so
delicious.
I cooked the green beans and the water chestnuts and onions in this sauce, and then I pulled them out, put some Parmesan, put it on the tray. Then I used that sauce to put back over the meat to kind of braise it again. And what I do is I stand them up and toothpick them so they're up and down. And so they kind of get airflow and they're not, one side's not cooked more than the other. And then that Cabernet butter, it just kind of takes that game out of it. Very not traditional, but I thought it was good.
It was delicious.
Right, it was either that or some tomahawks or something, you know.
You did like sharp cheddar and jalapeno stuffed mushrooms. Those were delicious.
Oh yeah, you go get mushroom caps and put sharp cheddar and jalapenos and butter in them and bake them. Trust me.
They were great.
All right. All right, what are we doing? I think this might be the last one.
I don't know.
I'm gonna do with the one with the skull on it right here. It says habanero.
I thought I heard a car.
That's me.
You pick one for me.
Your guy.
I'm having trouble reading.
I'm giving her a red one. She's like all these green ones.
Oh no!
Outlaw.
Blazing out.
What do we have? Hungry Man's Habanero.
That's got a good flavor.
It's got a skull on it. Hungry Man's Habanero. All right, last one. We're going to try it out. We've gone through a few different ones here.
You might like that one. That has a very different, I'm not sure what it is in there.
That's the Chipotle?
It might be the Chipotle I'm tasting.
No, here we go. I know that's going to be hot. We'll see how hot that's going to be, right? Okay, here we go.
If he sneezes, it's real hot.
Habanero. No. The Ghost was hotter. Habanero's fine. See the delay on the drink?
That's not hot either. It's just got a good flavor.
Yep, so we're going to pay for this tomorrow. And
wait, that is a little bit spicy. It's got a backburn.
Yeah. Not as much as the scorpion, probably, but we don't have. I don't think there's any scorpion in here. You have to read the ingredients. Maybe it is in the back.
It does have a good backburn.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be ending it here, and we love you guys, and we want you to have a rest of the holidays. Have a great holiday the rest of the days this weekend, and if you have to go to work, tomorrow, like like Monday.
Yeah, I do.
Then appreciate these last few days.
Be safe on New Year's Eve.
Right. And we'll see you next year on Sailing into Nirvana.